everybody. As you know, on my previous video, I had told you about Let Us Start Coding platform and also about the platform and the app we will be making for this video and the next video. And only for this video because the code is very small. So let us start. So I will just share my screen. 1 minute. I think you are able to see my screen. So what you have to do when you open everything is that you have to go to a new tab in Chrome or Microsoft Edge or whatever you are using and write then code.org and scroll, and if you're not logged in, don't have an account, you can open an account. Now over here, as you can see, there is app lab. We need to use this app lab, so we will just take this app lab. Now this is the screen that you will be able to see. Like this, the whole screen will be. So now, as you can see, we will start with the code. As I told you, this is how our final project will look like this and this. So now in my previous video, if you have not seen that video, please see it because this is a follow-up on that one only. Now, as you can see, this is our entitled project and this is our main book recommendation app. So now what we need is the screens. There's books for old, books for adults, books for children, books screen choose and start screen. These are many screens, so it's not possible to make them all. And we already have one project that it all has. So back to United project. Over here, I go to design. Then I will tell you this. Over here, as you will be able to see, 1 minute, new import screen. Click on that. So this will import all the screens that we have over here. So now we want to import this all of the screens. So we don't have to code anything. We don't have to design anything. So over here, we will write this link. This is the link that if you put it over here or else in the video that I have shared, it's also there. You can also do it from there. So now I'm going to put it over in the link. I will copy it and let's paste it. Next. So as you click on next, all the screens over there will show over here, and the names that have been given like button start and all of the names will also be there. Button back and all of that will also be there only. So you don't have to click on them. Just over here, you have to click screens. All of the screens are selected. Import. Now that's imported. Now this screen one, you have to delete it because it does not have anything. Now come back to code. So then the code screens will be copied, but the code cannot be copied. So what we'll have to do, come to the screen start. Now over here, this button start. We have to make it when we click on this in book recommendation app. It goes to choose your age type. That screen is named as screen choose in code. So over here, on event means when it is clicked, on event and button start. When button start is clicked, it needs to go to screen choose. So that screen. So what screen has to go? It is screen choose. So that's it. Now when you run it, start. It's on the screen choose, but it is not yet done. We still have to do lots of things. Now everybody come to screen choose. Wait, yes. Now here, this button young. So for this button young, when we click on this button young over here, it goes to books for children. So it is what we want over here as well. So up again on event Then again button young, set screen, books for children. Like this, you will create all of them for all of the other two also. Okay, so now I have paused my sharing me my screen, and now I'm going to let us start making all of the three like this only. So now, as I am telling you, over here, so we have to make lots of them. We cannot be putting it again and again. So what we can simply do, press the left side of the mouse, drag it. As you can see, this blue thing surrounding it. Now you have to do from your keyboard Control C, as it will not happen, and you can do one, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. You know a lot of them because it has to be a lot. So now button young is done. Now what is left? Button middle, the same thing. So button middle, screen books for adults. Button old, books for old. So this is done. Now we go to button young, books for children, and as you can see there is a button back also. So that's button back. I have given it a wrong name. Button back, and that is to go back to book screen shoes. Then again we can go to books for adults, and then over here button back end, that is screen for books, that will go back to screen shoes. Then again over here we will take the last button barcode, and over here we will put our screen choose only. So now our whole project is simply done. The code was this small, and I hope it was very interesting. Now let us see our final product. So what you have to do is just click on this button. Over here I will just tell you. Yeah, this button run. So when you click on button run, it is started. So first of all, you have to click on button start. It has come to the screen choose. Young, these are all of the books. Back, middle age, all the books over here. Back, old, all the books here. Back. That's it. That's our project completed. Thanks for watching my video. If you have not watched the first video, please go back in the description and you will find the first video itself. Now, there are more videos coming. So please subscribe and like my video as well. Thank you. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.